In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create, edit, and manage a school organization. To create a new organization, simply click Create New Organization. In this menu, you can name the organization, enter a description, and upload an image. Below are 4 settings for the organization. Request to join allows users to send requests to join an organization. Display members to non-members allows non-members to see a list of current members. Is mutable allows users to turn off notifications from the organization. Is archived will archive the organization and it will no longer be shown to users. Click Save and the organization will be created. To edit an organization, click the Actions button, then click Edit. You can then change the organization name, description, image, and other settings. Click Save once you have made a change. To view an organization, simply click on the name of the organization or click on Actions, then View. You'll be able to see all 5 menu items for the organization: announcements, school events, permission level aliases, memberships, and membership requests. In this video, we will cover permission level aliases. We will start by creating permission level aliases for the organization. By default, every organization has a level 1 and a level 3 permission alias. Level 3 permission aliases have full access to organizations. They can create announcements, events, new permission aliases, manage memberships, and accept or deny new members. Level 2 permission aliases have access to create announcements and events, and they can also view memberships, but they cannot make any edits to them. Level 1 permission aliases have access to view announcements and events. They cannot edit or create anything within an organization. To create a new permission level alias, click Create New Permission Level Alias. Enter the name, for example, President, and then select your permission level and click Save. Creating permission level aliases is important because it is tracked on the student transcript. You can create as many permission levels as you wish. You can have multiple level 1, level 2, and level 3 aliases within an organization. Now you know how to create and edit an organization as well as the permission levels within organizations. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. In our next video, we will cover announcements and school events.